Breaking news right now, a major setback for President Trump and his Department of Justice. A federal judge today dismisses the indictments of former FBI Director James Comey and New York Attorney General Letitia James.
The judge found that the appointment of interim U.S. Attorney Lindsay Halligan in Alexandria, Virginia was invalid. ABC's Karen Travers has the breaking details.
Today, the criminal cases against former FBI Director James Comey and New York Attorney General Letitia James have been thrown out by a federal judge in Virginia. Their attorneys had argued that Lindsay Halligan, the prosecutor President Trump handpicked for the job, was illegally appointed. Justice Department lawyers said that the Attorney General has the authority to make successive interim picks. But today, federal judge Cameron McGowan-Curie called Halligan's appointment invalid and the indictments of James and Comey unlawful exercises of executive power. She said Halligan had no lawful authority to present the indictments. President Trump chose Halligan, his former personal lawyer with an insurance background with no experience as a prosecutor, to replace a career prosecutor he had previously appointed who had refused to charge Comey. Comey pleaded not guilty to making a false statement and obstructing Congress.
I know that Donald Trump will probably come after me again, and my attitude's going to be the same. I'm innocent. I am not afraid.
In court last week, Comey's lawyers called the case vindictive, pointing to Trump's social media post demanding prosecution of his political enemies, including Comey and James, writing, "We can't delay any longer." If this is not a direction to prosecute, Comey's lawyer argued, I'd really be at a loss to say what is. Last year, the New York Attorney General won a multi-million-dollar judgment against the president and his organization in a civil lawsuit, alleging he defrauded banks by overstating the value of his real estate holdings on financial statements. James pleaded not guilty to charges that she committed mortgage fraud. In a statement, James said she's heartened by today's victory and remains fearless in the face of these baseless claims.
The White House said in a statement the facts of the indictment against James Comey and Letitia James have not changed, and this will not be the final word in this matter. Karen Travers, ABC News, the White House.